Right, we are going to do a graph right now. So I want to show you one way to make a graph. So I have set up my table here in spreadsheets, and I have my independent variable over here on the left-hand side, 50 centimeter drop, 100 centimeter drop, 150 centimeter drop. And then I did 5 trials and an average. Now I'm just going to make up some data, and I'm going to say that what this data is the time it takes to stop bouncing, right? So let's say for this one it was 16 seconds, trial 2 was 13, 15, 17, and 18.5. This one was 23, 26, or 25, 23 again, 22, 20.7. I don't know, I'm just making stuff up. You see what I'm doing here. But you're going to fill in all of your data, whatever it may be, into a table that is similar to this. All right, if you figured out your averages on your own, then you don't need to worry about doing any averages here. But what I would do then is show you this little trick. If you click right here, you can go right up here to functions, click average, and then you literally just select the things that you want to average, hit return, and it does it for you. Really handy. All right, and so then there, that's done. And then once your computer figures out the pattern, you can just click and drag it down and it'll do it for you for the exact same thing. So now I've got my averages sorted out. I'm going to want to make a graph that only is of the averages. So I would take something like this, put it here, and then correlate the average data 15.9, 22.74, and 35.02. Notice that I don't have any numbers, or excuse me, letters in here, like I don't put in centimeters or meters or seconds, because if you do that, the program can't work. So then I go ahead and select this amount of data, go over here to graph, and I probably would pick like a bar graph, right? That's what I think would look good. If you didn't want to, you could do some kind of a line, but I think a bar is probably going to be the most compelling. So if I have my bar, then I go ahead and customize it. I put in my titles, I put in all my labels, make sure you have units, I make it as pretty as I want, and then I click insert, and now I've got it. Obviously I didn't put in all the details, and then you can put that directly into your lab report. All right, that would be my recommendation.